His question is that if we find any valuable in the street unattended and take it into our custody and advertise, but none claims ownership, what should we do?
What sort of thing?
Any valuable, I mean...
Any valuable money or watch, anything.
According to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, first of all, it's better not to take it from the road, because maybe the person who has lost it returns, and if he doesn't find it on the road, it will be very difficult for him to really understand who is the person whom he should approach. So it's better to leave it, and it is possible that a person may return who has lost a thing. But unfortunately in this society there are too many thieves, so it is a possibility, of course, a danger, real danger of some thief looking at this lost property and take it away. So, but now the answer is in the lost property office. These offices are open now, and this is what we do during our jalsas. If somebody finds something lost, he should take it and give it to the lost property office, and the lost property office returns it when somebody approaches. So nowadays this is the answer.